You're on your way back home in a brand new station wagon, a pile of rolling chrome, 10 miles to the gallon. Your mother puts her makeup on, you watch her crunch the gears. It's a child's view of the eyes and how her years. Your father knows what's best, no one can upstage him. He thinks he's so well dressed, finds new things to outrage him. Elvis on the television, GIs and career. It's a child's view of the eyes and how her years. I don't mind the innocence so much, in fact it's charming. The comedians have got a certain touch that's so disarming. Even though the aliens from space haunt the weekend matinees, superheroes keep the citizenry safe. There's a beep in the sky. In 1957, a metal ball that flies through Soviet heaven. Papers shout the headlines, politicians fan the fears. It's a child's view of the eyes and how her years. So much, in fact it's charming. And the girls in their hoop skirts have got a style that's so disarming. Even though the neighborhood is new, everybody looks like you at the soda fountain or the schoolyard too. See the baseball fly out across the diamond. Jimmy Jones and I, we've both got good timing to be born into a greaseback world, all hips and teenage sneers. It's a child's view of the eyes and how her years.